All right, boys and girls, so we just read a book about the letter C. The C sound is K. And we also listened to a song. Now, in the song, they also told you that sometimes, every once in a while, C can sound like an S, like in the beginning of the word circus, cereal, or city. Those words actually begin with the letter C, but that's called a soft C. And every once in a while, the C will sound like an S. But most of the time, we hear the regular C that makes the K sound. So here's your paper for today. You're going to write your name at the top. And there's not a certain place to put it, so you can just write it anywhere. Then we are going to practice writing a row of uppercase C's. You're going to put your pencil at the beginning. You're going to curve it around. And then stop. Do not close it. Put your pencil near that top line. Curve it around to the bottom, and then stop. Uppercase C. Then you're going to write a row of lowercase c, which is exactly the same way, just smaller. Put your pencil near the dotted line, curve it around, and stop. And then your directions are to color the pictures that begin with the sound. We're looking for the regular C sound. So here are your pictures. Carrot. If you hear a C at the beginning of carrot, you need to color it. Moon. Car. Cake. Camera. Fish. Corn. Cow, and table. So any picture where you heard the C sound, you want to color it. So I heard it at the beginning of carrot, car, cake, camera, corn, and cow. I do not hear a C at the beginning of moon, fish, or table. So color the ones that begin with a C. You may also color your cat up at the top. So make sure you write your letters with a pencil, and then make sure you color your pictures with a crayon. All right, boys and girls, if you have any questions, send me a message.